Now I am going to show you how to do marshmallows. And of course, marshmallows everybody does and they all know how to make. But the real traditional marshmallows, lots of people don't know. So we will see how the traditional marshmallows, and of course we call it jujubes. That is also something that is coming in with this, right? Or the jujubes that we call it, it's called Turkish delight. So we will do that also. So there are two things that I am going to do in one. So we will watch how we are going to do. First thing I am going to do here is the water measurement. So to do the water measurement, first I will put 1 cup of water in and another 3/4 cup separately. The 3/4 cup of water I will put 4 teaspoons of gelatin. All together 4 teaspoons of gelatin I take. Mix it well. Now we take 450 grams sugar. Now I will put that 1 cup which I have taken separately, I will put that in and I start boiling this till it comes soft ball consistency. It should fall like a thread consistency, it should fall. Now only it's slightly forming. That is, see, just a wee bit into the water and it's forming. Can you see that? It's coming like, can you see? Oh, lovely. So now what I am going to do is, I have got the gelatin with 3/4 cup of water. Quickly add that. Gelatin and the water which we have added, 1 more minute we have to boil it. What I am going to do is, we are going to do something. Now this mixture, I will take off heat. I told you 2 ways I am going to show. So the one way of doing is, I am just putting this mixture into a tray. So this texture which I have put it, this is called to make the Turkish delight. In the other words, it's a jujubes. Since I put red coloring, I want strawberry essence. Strawberry essence and red, that's a pink or red coloring, goes very well. Now this what we will do is, we will keep it like this to set. If you want to do 2 colors, I will have to use half of it. See, you beat it. Half I have kept here and 1/2 I have kept it here. Now I start beating. You know, with a beater we can beat. Lift it. It should fall into pleats like. Till then we have to beat and beat and beat. Beat a little more, but I have to put the coloring. At this stage, we will use the coloring. Whatever coloring you like, you can put. Pineapple. Can you see now? Pleats are forming. I am not shaking, but the pleats are forming. Can you see? What I will do is, take a tray, butter it nicely and put the mixture. is I will put this mixture separately into another bowl. One portion I did it and I beat nicely with hand, that is with a whisker, and then what did we do? Put the coloring and essence, put into the tray and left to set. Set in the sense, it's not going to set in the fridge or something, you just leave it like that, and the balance mixture is there. Can you remember the balance mixture is nothing to happen because it's still like that itself till I start beating. Now I am tired, so what I am going to do is I am going to use the beater and beat it, right? So we will beat like that. We have to test that also. That got beaten very fast, very fast it has got beaten. Now I have to test this. See, it's falling like pleats, isn't it? Right. Till it falls like pleats, we have to keep beating. Now I am going to use another color into this. Strawberry and red coloring. Meanwhile, we kept for a while. See, that is almost getting set. So, into that, I am going to pour this mixture. Do not keep in the fridge or anything, not necessary, right? We keep it for a little while and then you beat this. Now what we will do is, we will leave like that overnight. Overnight I am going to cover and keep it out and it will get set. After that we will see what we are going to do it. This is marshmallows, Turkish delight, that is jujubes. Marshmallows and the Turkish delight, that is jujubes, we can keep it overnight outside, or if you are in a hurry, for about 6 to 7 hours in the fridge and take it. So both ways you can do it, right? So now normally what I do is keep it overnight. Once I keep it overnight, you can see what we are going to do it. Okay. First thing, I need corn flour and icing sugar, right? Corn flour and icing sugar I need. So what we will have to do is corn flour and a little icing sugar, mix it nicely on the board. I have taken this out and kept it. Now what we have to do is, we have to keep it on this, and the size you want, you cut it. Once I cut it, you can see it's soft. You have to just nicely roll it in corn flour and icing sugar. Just wanted to show you the traditional way, that's why I just did a small one to show. Now I feel like eating also because I love this type of preparation, but since I am diabetic, I can't eat too much. Now to do the jujubes, what we have to do is, we need sugar. Actually we need sugar for it, right? So what I will do is, take this, cut it, see it will come like this, roll it in sugar, normal sugar, caster sugar. Now we have done these marshmallows, which you can see here. The marshmallows, when we did it, you should do with 450 grams of sugar, 4 teaspoons gelatin and 1 and 3/4 cup of water. That's all that we used, and then the coloring. So that's how it comes. After you set it, see, it won't be sticky at all. Now you put it in bottles and keep it so that you can serve for your children or your guest comes. If you have a small party or a function, first they give sweets, isn't it? So it's nice to serve homemade marshmallows and jujubes. Try it out and see how it comes, because it is really amazing, I would say. It's nice and tasty. Try it out and you will be amazed to see that this type of thing that you can do it at home. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will enjoy, and next week with another recipe I will be seeing you soon.